Hello everyone, I am rbharmappa3, a student at Georgia Tech taking the course 6750 HCI course for fall 2025. This is the demonstration of medium fidelity prototype for a customizable snooze feature in the iPhone alarm system. The current iPhone alarm only offers a fixed 9-minute snooze, which doesn't suit everyone's needs. This prototype explores more flexible options through three key screens: alarm list, snooze customization, and the alarm ringing interface. I'll walk through each screen and explain the design choices. So this is the interactive demo. This is the alarms list. Um, there are two 7 a.m. and 7:30 alarms already set. So as soon as you click on the edit, you will go to the customize snooze. You can see the slider here, and then presets and the smart suggestion. So if you look at smart suggestion, you can click on Y and you can see the toast saying your calendar shows a 9 a.m. meeting. A shorter snooze helps prevent this. So you can close that. And you can also, when you, when you cancel back, you will go to the original alarms list. So let's go back. And if you save, it will go to the new one. If you see, it is saying 12 minutes last set. So that's about it. And then once the alarm rings, you can see the toast. When I click on this, you see the toast here. And then you click on this toast. Click on this a toast. Click on this and a toast. And then when you stop it back, it will go back. And then you can go back to the alarms. So this is about the interactive demo of my medium fidelity prototype. Here we see the alarm list. Each alarm shows not just the time and label, but also the snooze settings directly underneath. For example, this 7 a.m. alarm displays the last snooze set to 12 minutes, the available presets of 5, 10, 15 minutes, and whether the smart snooze is enabled. The goal here was visibility of system status. Users shouldn't have to dig into menus to remember what snooze settings they last used by showing snooze details directly in the list. We reduce memory load and make it easier to spot if adjustments are needed. The design is also following the principle of recognition over recall, since users can see their presets at a glance rather than remembering them. An edit button provides a clear and discoverable entry point to make changes. Next, let's look at the snooze customization screen. At the top, there is a slider control that lets users set any snooze interval between 1 and 30 minutes. This gives direct manipulation for precise timing, aligning with the principle of user control and freedom. For users who want consistency, they can simply leave it on the preferred number. Below that, we have a preset buttons for common values like 5, 10, and 15 minutes. The rationale here is to support flexibility and efficiency. Many people repeatedly use the same snooze values, so having one tap shortcuts saves time compared to adjusting the slider every day. I also avoided hidden long press interactions. Instead, there is an explicit way to edit presets. This improves discoverability and prevent confusion. Finally, there's an optional smart snooze suggestion. For instance, if you have a meeting at 9 a.m., the app might suggest a shorter 5-minute snooze, so you won't be late. Importantly, it shows why that suggestion was made and gives you the ability to override it. This transparency addresses trust issues in intelligent systems. The principle here is help users understand, not surprise them. Lastly, here is the alarm ringing screen, which appears when the alarm goes off. The main snooze button reflects the last setting. Here it is 12 minutes, making it quick to use without thinking. But below that, users also have one-tap access to the preset values or the smart suggestion if enabled. This supports situational flexibility, letting users adjust on the fly. The buttons are intentionally large and spaced out. This was key design choice for error prevention. When people are drowsy, fine motor control is limited. So large tap targets reduce mispresses. The stop button is equally prominent but separate so users won't hit it accidentally. Overall, this screen balances simplicity and flexibility. The most common action is easy and prominent, but alternatives are available without clutter. To summarize, this medium fidelity prototype integrates three key ideas: customizable snooze intervals via a slider, quick preset options for efficiency, and smart snooze suggestion for context-aware flexibility. Together, these designs aim to improve user control, reduce cognitive load, and make snooze behavior more adaptable to real life. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for watching.